sad about it. Tell me you love me. Why did you leave me all alone? Now you tell me you need me when you call me on the phone. Girl, I refuse. Just let me confuse with some other guy. They just don't matter. Now it's your turn to cry. Tell me you really love me. Tell me you really love me. But I want you all to know that is not me. That is not me. That's not him. I would never walk up to you and say those words to you. And I'm so sorry that happened to you. I'm so sorry. You stay. And you stay and affected my life. And affected my children's life. I forgive all of you. I'm not a living spirit. I do. I forgive you. No chance, and me, don't it make me sad about